Chapter Al-Kauthar, 108, of the Quran. Most rational and academic retranslation. Alu means science. Preamble. Here is a smaller chapter painstakingly translated to portray the most probable true picture of the Quran's socio-political ideology. Chapter Al-Kauthar, 108, is again a direct injunction in strategic affairs implying pursuance of directives for improving the impending chaos caused by heavy influx of different categories of people, but has shamelessly been diverted towards praying and sacrificial rituals in all traditional translations. Kindly note the great contrast in both translations presented hereunder. A specimen of inherited traditional translations. Behold, we have bestowed upon thee good and abundance, hence, pray unto thy sustainer, alone, and sacrifice, unto him alone. Verily, he that hates thee has indeed been cut off, from all that is good.